Looney Farm Guy here, and this is Feed Factory by Andrei and Andrei Kiro on Farming Simulator 25. It's for all platforms, PC, Mac, and console. I'm on a PS5 Pro here on the Four Fields map, and this is, well, a fish food factory. So what does that mean? Well, that means you're going to need the Highlands fishing expansion pack for this to be of any kind of use to you, or actually even work, I suppose, because, well, it makes fish food, and if you don't have the Highlands fishing pack or the Highlands pack installed, you're not going to get fish food pallets or pallets of fish food. So we have 5 recipes using various ingredients. One with canola oil, one using corn and mineral feed, olive oil, soybeans and mineral feed, and then sunflower oil, flour, corn, and soybeans. That's the one I have picked. And what am I missing? Corn, because I haven't put it in yet. That's what we're going to do right now. Oh, where do we find it? Under factories. And there it is. So we have two options. We have a new version or a used version. Used mixer. It's actually costing us extra 10 grand for the used one. Oh dear, that's not right. So don't pick the used one. I think that got mixed up there. Okay, inputs are right here by this, what appears to be a blower. So the input spot is quite small. You have to be very precise. There it is, exactly there. Pallets of sunflower oil also went in, and there we go. So we're full now. And so let's go back here. There we go. We are turned on. Yes. And we have things running. So 108 cycles per month, 30 liters of fish food, which does not add up to what I see the input. So it looks like we got about 60 liters input and only 30 liters out. That's disappointing, to say the least. What about this one? This one's 27 in and 30 out. So actually or 26 in. So that's a much better recipe to go with. Same thing with this. Much more going in than coming out. Corn. Yeah, I'd rather go with the corn and mineral feed for actually, yeah. So speed, you get more speed with the canola oil, olive oil, and definitely with the sunflower oil, but you get your more money back with the, yeah, it's going to cost you way too much for those oil recipes. The corn recipe, look at that, only corn and mineral feed, and you get more out than you put in. I don't understand how they come up with some of these recipes, but there it is. We're going to test it now. All right, we're back, and we have fish food. 1,228 liters of it. Production really isn't all that quick. And what do you do with it? Well, you feed your fish with it. But that's nothing I can do on this map. I just wanted to show you that it could be done, but you would need basically the Highlands map. So far is the only one you can do fish farming on. Although I think you can. I don't know if you can do a fish farm on this, on a random map. I haven't really played with it that much, to be quite honest. But there you have it, Feed Factory. Thanks for watching. Till the next one. Bye for now.